Okay, this is a demonstration of the fully automated quick start. To access the quick starts, I'm loaded the TradeLink website. I'm going to the quick start link here, and then I want to do the fully automated quick start, so I'm just going to click this link. I've already installed TradeLink and done the other quick starts listed higher up on this page. So step one is to start and configure my broker software and connector. This particular example is using Sterling. So I'm going to click here, and how do I make it work with Sterling? I can watch the video, but essentially I start Sterling, and then the next thing I do is run Sterling Pro from Start Programs TradeLink connectors. So I open TradeLink connectors from the program groups, and now I'm finding Sterling Pro. Okay, and I can see that it recognized the account that I'm running under. So I'm going to go back to my quick start. Step 2 is to start ASP from the TradeLink Programs group. So ASP is running. The next thing I want to do is click L to choose a response library, and then browse to responses.dll in the folder where I installed TradeLink. So I'll click L, and then I'm already in Program Files TradeLink, which is where I installed the program, and now I'm going to look for the responses DLL, and here it is, and then I choose Open. Okay, so I've completed step 5. Step 6, choose SMA response from the drop-down list for the library. So this particular example right now is using SMA response, so I just choose the drop-down list, and then if I go through here I can choose SMA response, and then select whatever parameters that I'm running. And then the next thing that I need to do is give it some symbols to trade on. So to do this, I right click and I choose Edit Symbols. And then I can edit some symbols here. And it will go ahead and build an SMA on those symbols and then start trading if it gets a signal. That particular strategy, we're going to have to wait for it to get a moving average crossover to enter. So also in this quick start is how to use always enter. So we can go always enter as mentioned here in step 16, but it's the same thing. I can choose the always enter response. Always enter and always enter parameters are the same. Parameters just allows you to choose the parameters. Always enter chooses the defaults. So I'll choose the parameters. If I'm trading with equities, these are fine. I can just accept them. If I'm trading with Forex, Forex doesn't have trade information, so I need to change use quotes to true. And then I'll use bid ask to determine whether to enter and when to exit. So I'll just choose OK, and then you can see my always enter response is running, and then I need to give it some symbols to run with. So I can do a couple symbols here. So you can see I gave it those two symbols, and when it got ticks, it sent entries for IBM and FRX, and then we got fills for those two. So that's it. That's how you do live strategy trading with ASP. Another thing you can do if you just want to test connectivity, you can load up the quotelet response, which is like a mini version of Quotopia inside of ASP. So if I enter a symbol here and then choose OK, I'll get the quotes for that symbol, and you can see I can see my 100 long position that I entered from IBM in my always enter strategy. I'll run it on a different symbol here. So yeah, I can open as many of these as I want, and then I can also buy and sell here. And you can see if we go over to Sterling and we look at our trading monitor, you can see if as I buy and sell that the orders are showing up in Sterling. So this would be, it's exactly the same process regardless of which broker you're using. You just start it, you obviously start the broker software and you start the connector for that broker, and then everything else will be the same. So hopefully you found this quick start useful, and be sure to check out the other quick starts on the website.